I'll be showing you my version of CS50's Project2 Pagerank. Just if you're unfamiliar with what Pagerank actually is, it was an algorithm created by Google's co-founders, including Larry Page, for whom the algorithm was named. In PageRank's algorithm, a website is more important if it's linked to other more important websites, and links from less important websites have the links weighted less. One way to think about PageRank is with a random surfer model, which considers the behavior of a hypothetical surfer on the internet who clicks on links at random. CS50 has provided me with some corpuses, or a set of web pages, which can be used for testing. The random surfer model imagines a surfer who starts with a web page at random and then randomly chooses links to follow. Let's say there's a set of 4 web pages, page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. If the surfer is on page 2, for example, they would randomly choose between page 1 and page 3 to visit the next corpus, but then they may visit page 3 next, and then would randomly choose between page 2 and page 4 to visit next. A page's PageRank can be described as a probability that a random surfer is on a page at a given time. After all, if there are more links to a particular page, then it's more likely that a random surfer will end up on that page in the end. So let's set it for testing. So let me run my program. Python 3 pagerank.py corpus 0. So here's the already tested sampling that's occurred. So according to how many times I clicked each of them from the link, it's generated some PageRank results from sampling. That was just corpus 0's set of projects. And in corpus 0, there was exactly 4 different web pages, and from then each of these web pages had links to other web pages, and from there it's calculated the PageRank of the pages according to the probability. Okay, let's try Python 3 pagerank.py corpus 1. Okay, let me just, so in this case it's provided a PageRank like so. So the results from the sampling have come out in the same way that the other one did from the sampling of corpus 0. And then finally let's just test corpus 2, which should probably provide similar results, except depending on how many times I'd click the page from the different links. And from there, using inference and other techniques, then from that it's calculated a probability. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.